everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shrimp stir fry with noodles is a dish I often make. It's a great choice for those who love seafood and noodles. Let's get started. Prepare handmade noodles. 300 grams. Shrimp meat 100 grams. I used frozen shrimps today. Scallion 9 grams, chopped. 1 green point pepper, remove seeds. Shredded, need 15 grams. Onion, shredded, about 30 grams. Also need carrot shredded, 30 grams. Look at the seasonings. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Boil the shrimps first, about 3 minutes. Fish out. Then add noodles. Boil for 7 minutes until cooked through. Turn off the heat. Let them go through cold water. Transfer to a plate. Heat a wok over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When it just beginning to smoke, add scallion chopped. Stir fry for 2 seconds. Then add shredded onion, carrot, pepper. Stir fry for a while. Add shrimps, noodles, and seasonings. Stir fry until the vegetables are cooked and combine well, about 2 minutes. Delicious shrimp stir fry with noodles is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.